I'm going to show you here in DaVinci how to achieve a crash zoom. So what we'll do is we've got our clip in our timeline. We've got our talent here. She's looking away from the camera and then she looks around to the lens of the camera. So basically what I want to do is I want to crash zoom in as she makes eye contact with the camera lens. What we'll want to do is now we'll want to go to the point just before she makes eye contact. So maybe like here, and we'll go up to the right side in our inspector window. We'll go to our transform and we'll just turn on our keyframes for the zoom X and Y and the position X and Y as well. We'll just skip ahead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip ahead 8 keyframes, and then we're just going to zoom out a little bit and we'll just turn on our transform here. And then we've checked these keyframes, so when we make any changes, it's going to log the keyframe. So you see it's going red as I zoom in, and then when I recenter, you can see the position X and Y going red. So it's just letting me know that it's logging the keyframes. We'll get the crash zoom. So basically, this is the clip now. We'll play it back. So you can see we're punching in, crashing in on the talent as she looks around to the camera. So that's great, but it's not quite there yet. So what do we do next? We go up to the keyframe manager and you can see we've got our keyframe window here, and the DaVinci 20 has allowed this new dedicated workspace for managing our keyframes. Let's just go to the first one here. And what we'll want to do is we'll want to ease out of the keyframe. So we'll ease out. And then the second keyframe, we want to ease in to the keyframe. So we'll ease out and then ease in, and we can play that back and see how it looks. So it's a little bit abrupt. I'm just going to slow the keyframe. I'm going to slow the zoom down. Let's see how that looks. Okay. And then we're also getting a bit of a red bar here just because the position isn't keeping up, the change isn't keeping up. So what we'll do is we'll just go to where we see the red outline. If you're not seeing a red outline, you can go down here to your timeline views, and if you just go to viewer background, it'll probably be on black, so you can just change it to red. So where the red bar is, we'll just go to that frame and we'll just move it to cover. So you can change on your position X and Y just to cover up any red bars. But now we get this nice crash zoom, but it's a little bit fast for me, so I'm just going to space out the keyframe. It's going to slow down the crash zoom. So that's pretty good now, actually. I'm pretty happy with that. But we see we got that red bar again, so let's just go there. Let's just cover it. So we'll just reposition the clip so we cover those red. Pretty happy with that one. Nice smooth crash zoom. Next thing we'll want to do here is if we go to our media pool, we'll want to add a sound effect. So I've got a whoosh pack here. So if I bring in the whoosh pack, and then we'll go to our sound effect, and we can see it's on audio track 1 here. We'll go across to Fairlight 4 in point, 5 out point. Audio track 1 here on the right side. Go to our effects, go to reverb, add a little bit of reverb, but then we can make it more dry. Okay. It's a bit more dramatic. If you did like this video, I've actually put together a shot list planner for you. So you can see here, I've got crash zoom as one of the visual references. And basically if I click in there, everything is explained, how to shoot it, how to do it in post, how to do it in camera, some pro tips. And I've basically done this for every shot type here. So you go to how to shoot, you can see every shot type's explained, and we've got the visual reference as well. And it's also a shot list planner, so you can actually go in here. I use this for all my client shoots. It's a great tool, and we can put the shot type, so any type of shot that we want to add in, and we can also fully customize this, so we can just add in what we want. There are a bunch of other free digital products for creators in Gumroad. Go check them out. You've got videography contracts, you've got DaVinci Resolve templates. So go ahead, grab everything you need. There's just a full suite, a full resource dedicated for creators like you to download. So every time I release a new video, I also drop a new product on Gumroad, a free digital product, and it's only free for the first 24 hours. So if you don't want to miss the opportunity to download it for free, hit the subscribe button, but also hit the bell so you're notified when the video gets posted, and you'll have access to the free product for the first 24 hours. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.